When you think of billionaires, images of luxury, opulence, and vast estates might come to mind. The world's richest individuals don't just buy homes, they invest in properties that redefine luxury, blending architectural brilliance with the most extravagant amenities imaginable. These homes aren't just about size, they reflect their owners' tastes, lifestyles, and the kind of wealth that makes anything possible. Today, we're taking you inside some of the most expensive homes owned by billionaires around the globe, homes that are more like kingdoms, showcasing lavishness on a level we can only dream about. Get ready to discover the exclusive world of billionaire estates. Antilia. Standing tall in the heart of Mumbai, Antilia is a monument to extravagance. Owned by Mukesh Ambani, India's richest man, this 27-story skyscraper is the most expensive residential property in the world, valued at an astounding $2 billion. The design of Antilia is a blend of contemporary luxury and traditional Indian elements, reflecting the family's heritage. With over 400,000 square feet of living space, it includes a full-fledged health center, a private movie theater, and even a 6-story garage that houses Ambani's extensive collection of cars. The home is staffed by a team of 600 employees, ensuring every corner is spotless and every need is met. The mansion's structure is designed to withstand earthquakes, a feature that highlights just how seriously its owners take both luxury and security. Antilia is more than a house, it's a symbol of Ambani's immense fortune and his family's status as global power players. Buckingham Palace. While not privately owned by a single billionaire, the British royal family's residence, Buckingham Palace, is an iconic symbol of wealth and power. Estimated at over $1.55 billion, this historic estate in the heart of London is the administrative headquarters of the monarchy. It features 775 rooms, including 52 royal and guest bedrooms, 188 staff rooms, 92 offices, and 78 bathrooms. The palace is also home to some of the world's finest art collections, including works by Rembrandt, Van Dyck, and Canaletto. The gardens are vast, covering 40 acres and hosting grand royal events. Though it's a working palace, it has all the hallmarks of a billionaire's estate, offering an unrivaled blend of history, luxury, and ceremonial importance. The palace's priceless collection of treasures and the land it occupies make it one of the world's most valuable properties. Villa Leopolda. Located on the French Riviera, Villa Leopolda is one of the most exquisite mansions ever built. Owned by Lili Safra, a Brazilian philanthropist and widow of billionaire banking tycoon Edmond Safra. This property is worth an estimated $750 million. Spanning 20 acres, Villa Leopolda is surrounded by lush gardens and boasts a panoramic view of the Mediterranean Sea. The estate includes 11 bedrooms, 14 bathrooms, and a massive swimming pool, along with a helipad for easy access. The villa's architectural style is a nod to the Belle Epoque era, with high ceilings, marble floors, and luxurious finishing that exudes old-world charm. The home also includes a large greenhouse and a large-scale outdoor dining area, perfect for entertaining guests in high society. Villa Leopolda's exclusivity and breathtaking views make it one of the most sought-after homes on the planet, a true symbol of billionaire living. The One. In Los Angeles, nestled in the exclusive Bel Air neighborhood, sits The One, a $500 million mega-mansion that redefines luxury living. This property, owned by real estate developer Niall Niami, is a 105,000 square foot mansion, making it one of the largest private residences in the world. With 21 bedrooms, 42 bathrooms, and 13 kitchens, The One is a sprawling complex designed to impress. The mansion includes a nightclub, a full-service salon, an indoor/outdoor pool, and a massive home theater, but the real centerpiece is its grand ballroom, which can accommodate hundreds of guests. The residence is also equipped with a 30-car garage, reflecting Niami's passion for luxury vehicles. The panoramic views of Los Angeles from the estate's hillside location add to the property's appeal. Despite its size, The One remains a symbol of excess, with features that seem almost too lavish to be real. It's a home built for someone whose lifestyle knows no bounds. 220 Central Park South. Billionaire hedge fund manager Ken Griffin set a new real estate record in 2019 when he purchased a penthouse at 220 Central Park South in New York for an eye-watering $238 million. This record-breaking purchase cemented Griffin's position as one of the most powerful figures in the world of luxury real estate. The penthouse, which occupies the entire top floor of the building, offers unobstructed views of Central Park and is one of the most coveted properties in Manhattan. Spanning more than 24,000 square feet, The apartment includes 16 bedrooms, 17 bathrooms, and a grand living room. The interiors are designed by the renowned designer Thierry Despont, and the residence boasts features like a private elevator, a library, and a wine cellar. Beyond the penthouse itself, the building offers 5-star amenities, including a private pool, fitness center, and a 24-hour concierge. Ken Griffin's acquisition of this incredible space reflects the desire of billionaires to own the most prestigious real estate in the world. 18 to 19 Kensington Gardens. Located in one of London's most prestigious neighborhoods, 18 to 19 Kensington Gardens is a palatial estate owned by Russian billionaire and oligarch Roman Abramovich. Valued at over $200 million, the mansion is one of the most expensive homes in the United Kingdom. The property features 15 bedrooms, 14 bathrooms, and a private cinema, along with an extensive art collection. The interiors are decorated in the finest materials, with marble floors, intricate woodwork, and luxurious furnishings that reflect the owner's wealth and taste. The mansion also boasts expansive gardens that open up onto Kensington Gardens, one of London's royal parks. Not far from the Royal Albert Hall and Hyde Park, this home offers seclusion and privacy in the heart of one of the world's most iconic cities. It is a true embodiment of exclusivity, with the highest standards of luxury living. The Chartwell Estate. The Chartwell Estate, located in Beverly Hills, California, is one of the most iconic estates in Los Angeles and was famously featured in the TV show The Beverly Hillbillies. Purchased by Lachlan Murdoch, heir to the News Corporation empire, for $150 million, the estate spans 10 acres and features a sprawling 25,000 square feet of living space. The mansion includes 11 bedrooms, 18 bathrooms, a wine cellar, and a massive library. Outside, the property has meticulously landscaped gardens, a large swimming pool, and a tennis court. The estate also includes a guest house, staff quarters, and a private screening room. The home's opulence is matched only by its rich history, making it one of the most recognizable homes in Beverly Hills. The Palms. In Las Vegas, billionaire real estate developer Steve Wynn owns The Palms, a $150 million mansion that offers a combination of extreme luxury and high-tech features. The home features 10 bedrooms and 25 bathrooms, along with a wine cellar that holds up to 2,500 bottles. One of the most impressive features of The Palms is the private casino, a luxurious addition that reflects Wynn's background in the gambling industry. The home also boasts multiple pools, a gym, and an art collection worth millions of dollars. With expansive views of the Las Vegas Strip and exclusive entertainment spaces, this mansion is designed for those who enjoy the glitz and glamour of the city while still enjoying the peace and privacy that comes with a secluded estate. Ellison Estate. Larry Ellison, the founder of Oracle, has an estate that's as unique as his career. His $200 million home, located in Malibu, is modeled after traditional Japanese architecture, featuring a series of connected pavilions inspired by the gardens and layout of Kyoto, Japan. The estate spans 23 acres and offers sweeping views of the Pacific Ocean. Ellison's mansion is known for its serene atmosphere, including tranquil ponds, bridges, and a carefully designed landscape that mirrors the peaceful Japanese aesthetic. The property also includes tennis courts, a guest house, and a large swimming pool. Ellison's estate is the ultimate expression of his appreciation for both luxury and tranquility, making it a one-of-a-kind residence that perfectly suits the billionaire tech mogul's lifestyle. These billionaire homes showcase a level of luxury that's almost beyond imagination. From sprawling estates with private cinemas and personal art collections to properties designed for the utmost privacy and security, the mansions of the world's richest individuals serve as a testament to what money, status, and power can achieve. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the most expensive homes owned by billionaires, don't forget to like and subscribe to MoneyWiseWanderer for more captivating content about the world of luxury living.